You'll be using resources to make the connectors, but that could end up saving you in certain situations. Especially if you have another grid. And you need to get past it. Maybe I have something like this you could place. Oop, maybe I didn't. There we go. You were able to place it through there. Now there is something in SE1 that I have to use because I don't have it in SE2. And it's a special ship I made using the gap connector technique, but I didn't have to do all this fancy trickery stuff because there was a block tiny enough to fit inside the gap. This is the ship I was talking about. It looks normal at first, but in reality, it is actually 3 different grids. You'll walk in, it looks normal, but then you walk a little further and you'll notice the gapped connectors. Now, they're here not just for some gimmick, but to allow the actual mechanism that this ship is built around to operate. These wheels are spinning, but I can still move the ship around. As you can see. And so if I were to go back down and check things out, things will look a bit different. Oh yeah, and you can see the rotor spinning there. That's from the wheel. Or one of them. Maybe not the safest place to work, but certainly very cool. And you can turn this into a video game. Oh wait, this is a video game. Anyway, you can make this into a mini game if you do this. Oops, not that. Huh. Oh yeah, no, it's going faster. Can we make it go even faster? It doesn't look like it. Now, this also allows you to do a little escape pod maneuver as well. This one's set up to split everything apart. One drawback is that they're not connected, so you can't control the thrusters. So every thruster needs to be in the main module if you want to control it all. This is another thing you could do with the Phantom Grid connection. I used a Space Engineers 1 trick, but it's the same idea if you use the connectors. you could raise it through the wall, so it's like they can't even see the thing that's moving it up. Now, unfortunately, due to Space Engineers 1, this and the ship I just showed do have some phantom forces involved. With the other ship, I tried to mitigate it by using a counter force, but it wasn't perfect. As you can see, I'm kind of moving around a bit. But given Space Engineers 2's improvements, I would say it's very likely that this will not be an issue in that. Now, one thing that I can do in Space Engineers 1 that I can't quite do in Space Engineers 2 yet is hinge chains. I tried it with rotors, but it didn't really have as much strength. But what I like to use them for is something like this. It has been a while since I've used one of these though, so let's hope I don't break it. Where did I put the controls? There. Okay, now let's carefully rearrange this. For time's sake, I'm just gonna do it like this, but technically you could do it from much higher up. Luckily, it's far easier to show it grabbing it. I mean, after it's grabbed it. Now let's bring it up. Rotors are moving.